Good evening, sir. 8 good evening, sir. It is muted.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon and good evening to Ishan, Navya, Ankit, Kaf and Nityam. So welcome.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good evening and good evening and welcome to the 8th session of discussion with Dheeraj. And today we have a wonderful topic which is very close to my heart, because whenever I introduce myself to someone, I always say that I am a trainer of personality development. Okay. And we are going to discuss about personality. So as of now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we have 5 speakers as of now. Maybe others also will join. So I would like to describe a bit these points, this topic. The first question is that what are some characteristics of your personality? आपके व्यक्तित्व का कुछ गुण क्या क्या है? So personality, it keeps on differing from person to person. My personality is different. Ishan's different, Navya's different, Nityam's different, Kaf different, Ankit different. We all are having different personality. Which one is good which one is bad, you cannot tell that. Everyone is unique in his her own way. So you have to first describe which all characteristics, which all qualities, which all points of your personality are very obvious, are very strong, by which people recognize you. That's number one. Number two is, are you happy with your personality? So no one is having a complete 100% excellent personality. We all have gaps. Now, if I don't have any gaps, I don't have any demerits, I have only good qualities, fantastic. Are you happy means, yes, I am happy, but I have these gaps which I'm trying to fill. I'm trying to overcome these problems of my personality. That's part two. And part three is that if you have discovered, if you have found the aspects, the points, the qualities which you want to change in yourself so that you can have a better personality, then which all things you are deciding to change so that you can become a better human being, a better student, a better son, a better daughter, whatever. So there are three questions. First is characteristic. Second is, are you happy? If yes, okay, why you are happy? If you are not happy, why you are not happy? And then what all changes you are going to do in your personality so that you can become a better human being. On these 3 points, you have to carry the session of today's. Now, as per our previous process, I'm not going to say who is number one, who is number two. So first, Ankit has raised hand. So our first speaker is going to be Ankit. Anyone else who is willing to raise hand, or should I wait? Otherwise, I will finalize the list now only. Anybody else who will raise hand after Ankit? Number two, speaker number two, speaker number three. So Navya has raised hand. So number two is going to be Navya. Okay. Anyone who wants to go for number three? Kaf, Ishan, Nityam, anyone for number three? Okay, Ishan has raised hand, number three. Anyone for number four? Kaf and Kaf has raised hand. Okay, so Kaf is number 4, and now Nityam also is there. So number 5 is going to be Nityam. So as of now, we have got our flow of the session. Number 1 is Ankit, number 2 is Navya, number 3 Ishan, number 4 is Kaf, and number 5 is Nityam. If anybody will join, he or she will continue after that. So without delaying further, I am stopping the sharing and I am handing over the baton to Mr. Ankit, our first speaker. Over to Ankit.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ankit and I am very thankful to sir who gave me this wonderful opportunity to speak here. Today I am going to answer 3 wonderful questions. So let us start with the first questions. What are the some characteristics of your personality? The most important characteristics of my personality is traits and a pattern of my thoughts and emotions play an important role, as well as the following fundamental characteristics of my personality. Openness, creativity, open to try new things, focus on tackling a new challenges, respectfulness for elders as well as younger ones. Gratitude, I am very thankful to God what He gave me in my life. With mix-up of honesty, loyalty, responsible, and humble. Second question is, are you happy with your personality? Yes, I am happy with my present personality, but I also want to improve in my personality to achieve my goals of in my life. Last and third question, if you could change any aspects of your personality, what could it be? My first priority is increase self-discipline. According to my opinion, if a person is self-disciplined, then he or she automatically become good in all aspects of his or her life. Self-discipline is the ability to push yourself forward stay motivated and take action regardless of how you are feeling physically or emotionally. Motivation and willpower contribute to it, as to persistence, the ability to follow through your intense and hard work. Self discipline is the key ingredient to success. My second priority is increasing a willpower in myself. Willpower is ability to resist short-term gratification in pursuit of long-term goals or objectives. Willpower is corrected with the positive life outcomes such as better grades, higher self-esteem, low substance abuse rates, greater financial security, and improved physical and mental health. Willpower is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. And last, I also want to focus on how to talk with new people or a stranger, appearance, intelligence, smartness, trustworthiness, being beneficial or advantageous. Thank you everyone to listen me. We will meet in next discussion.
Thank you, Ankit. Thank you for telling us about your personality. And knowing about our personality is so important, because when we know about ourselves, what good things I have, what bad things I have, then only I can work in developing myself. So if I want to get success, I want to develop myself, then it's very important to know who am I, what are my strengths and weakness, my personality and all these things. Second, I think you must have seen discussion like this happening on television or maybe on Zoom, online. You must have seen that. There will be one moderator and there will be panelists. He will keep on telling them about different aspects of that that theme, that title, that topic, and all the experts, they will speak one by one what is their view on that topic. You will never find any expert using a pen and paper. Means you will not find anyone reading what they have to say. They may have few points on which they have to elaborate, but at any point of time, they will keep on looking at the camera. So I'm trying to tell you about the process in this panel discussion. Suppose if I have points in my hand, I want to speak with the help of those points. It's fantastic. I always appreciate. But at 98%, 99% of time, your eyes should be on the camera. Okay. And at any point of time, you should not feel that you are not speaking, you are reading something. Just finding out one point and elaborating is fine, but reading is strictly no. Okay. So going further, I will hand over the charge, the baton to the second speaker, and she is Navya. Navya, now it's your turn.
So, good evening to all. This is Navya from class 4, and today we are going to discuss on the topic that what are some characteristics of your personality. The second one question is that are you happy with your personality? And the third one is that if you could change any aspect of your personality, what would it be? So the answer of the first question for me, that was what are some characteristics of your personality, is that there are some characteristics of my personality which are that as it is just like as my introduction. So in my introduction, I want to say you that I love to do dancing and some more things. When I help my mother or my father in anything, I love that also. And I also love reading anything. When I read, I love that. The second one was, are you happy with your personality? So I think yes, I am happy, but there is one thing which is not good in me. So the third one was, if you could change any aspect of your personality, what would it be? So if I want to change anything in my personality, so that will be I do all the things better, but my maths is not good as much. And also my writing, I want to improve that very much. So if I have to change this, I will have to practice on that very much. So by practicing only, I can just get that point, and I will be get solving maths, and my writings will be good. If I will try on that, then only I can do that. So so I am trying to improve my writing also, and I am just trying to how to focus on math. I am trying to how how could I get focus on math. So that was my speech.
Thank you, Navya. Today is also the right moment when I'm going to share with you how we judge personality of someone, and by doing what all things we can develop our personality. Okay, so when you're talking about mathematics and handwriting and all, yes, they are part of personality, but they are very small parts of personality. Personality is something which is very big, and I don't know if I have discussed with anyone who is there in this discussion. There are primarily three parts of personality: body, mind, and soul. So if you remember those things, if I have spoken to you, you can mention that. Otherwise, at the end, I will tell you three parameters of personality and what should you do so that you can become a person with a wonderful personality. So don't worry for that. I am going to conclude with my points. Now, I am requesting the third speaker, and he is Ishan, and he is going to put forward his thoughts in front of us. Over to Ishan.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you can start.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Vishan from Dejavu School of Innovation in class 6. And now I am going to tell you about a topic. And in that topic, there are some questions like what are your some characteristics of your personality? And the second one is, are you happy with your personality? And if you could change any aspect of your personality, then what would it be? So I am going to tell you about all these, and I will also explain you. So the first question was, what are some characteristics of your personality? Means, what are the characteristics, that good qualities which you have, bad qualities which you have? So in my, some good qualities are that I can do anything in the given work. Then like if someone has given me to do this work, then in a given time, then I can complete it in that the given time. And the second one is honesty. I am very honest person, not that much, but I am honest. I am happy. And the third one is, I am a helping person. Whenever my friends or anyone want to help that I can give, then I always help. I am always ready to do anything that they want help. And the fourth one is that I can handle anything which I know. Means if someone is going to do anything, if someone is going to speak in front of many people, and he's absent, then and that thing I know, then I can handle that, how to speak and what I will speak. And am I happy with my personality? Then it's yes, I am happy with my personality, because an honest person, a helping person will get only success in life. And the person who is getting to do anything in a given time, if he completes, then in my opinion, he gets success in his life. And and if you could change any aspect of your personality, what it be? Then in my opinion, if there are some personality which I want, that is practicing. I have a very less amount of practicing, that I don't practice anything that much. But whenever I got any topic or anything that I have to practice, and it is given me 5 days ago, then I practice. But when it is given 1 or 2 months ago, then I don't practice. When the last day comes, then only I practice. That is the that I want. And the practice one I want. And from all the things, I am happy with my personality. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishan. I'm so happy that almost all of you all are able to speak well, right? You have removed hesitation from your personality. You all have become confident. So, if someone tells me that, sir, I am having a fear in public speaking, I can't go on stage and I can't speak because I have that fear, that hesitation. And I always tell them only one thing: if you have fear of something, the only way to remove that fear is that do that thing again and again, again and again. So if you feel that my speaking power is not good, I need to improve my communication skills, the only way out is I will participate in more discussions, more speech competitions, more platforms like that. The more I will speak, the better I will become. Fine. So I'm so thanks to few students who are there on this platform from day one, and they are coming and they are practicing. Also, once the discussion is over and I share the clip, that link of the video of this class, do check your speech and be a judge. Judge yourself. Yahan par galti hui. This sentence was not good. This expression was not good. Here I can improve myself more. If you will start checking yourself, if you will start judging yourself, you will improve faster. Don't wait for mom and dad and teachers. They will check and they will tell me what is good, what is bad. Check yourself. ये सुनने में अच्छा लगा, ये सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लगा. Right? That is the main purpose of this platform. Fine. So after Ishan, we are moving to our fourth speaker, and he is Kaf. Kaf, over to you.
Good evening to everyone. Wilaya Mohammed Kaf Ahmad from BP Indraprastha class 6. Now, sir has asked 3 questions. What are some characteristics of your personality? Are you happy with your personality? If you could change any aspect of your personality, what would it be? So I'm going to answer it line by line. Now, the answer of first. Some characteristics of my personalities are: I laugh a lot. I often see the photo of my idol, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I help others. I didn't get angry easily. I smile a lot. I'm focusing on my goals. Now, the second question. Are you happy with your personality? Now, yes, I am very happy with my personality, but I want a change only. If you could change any aspect of your personality, what would it be? Yes, I would change, and it is that I wanted to be independent. Thank you for listening.
Okay, so everyone is realizing that my personality is not foolproof, not 100% on track. We need to do all these changes. Now, apart from discussing what improvements you are going to do in your personality, I will also suggest one more thing. You can note down those points which you want to change in yourself, and those points write down on a piece of paper. It should be in front of your eyes. Suppose this is my table and chair where I sit and do my studies. In front of that chair, the wall is there. On that wall, I will write, I want to change in my personality 1, 2, 3, 4. The more you will look at that, the more you will think on that, you will change faster. Okay. And the moment you will change, you will become better, you will become better, you will be near to success. So I think it's a very good opportunity to analyze yourself and start developing yourself. Now we are moving to our last speaker of the day, and he is Nityam. Nityam, over to you. Please start.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Nityam of class 6. First of all, Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to say about my personality. Some people have, every person has a unique personality. Some are obedient, some are good, some are honest, some are helpful, some are intelligent, and some are all-rounded that I want to become. Now I'm coming to my personality. In my opinion, every personality should be good or bad for both the sides, inner and outer. But the inner personality is more important. Once my mother told me a Hindi proverb that 100 मन ज्ञान से एक मुट्ठी charitra shresth hai. That means that we have too much of knowledge and we know the answers of every question. But if we don't have a good behavior and we don't talk nicely with each other, that everything will become the bad. My mother explained me every time that if you will not study little bit less, no problem, but your behavior should be must good, and you should not talk with anyone badly and rudely. The second question was, I am happy with my personality or not? So my answer is yes and no both. I'm happy with my personality also, and I am not happy with my personality because there are so many things that I didn't like. Like my behavior. Sometimes when I am very angry, I lose my patience sometimes, and that's why my mother helped me every time to uh, to say that don't say this type of things and and control your patience. The third question was, if you could change anything about your personality, what it would be? If I want to change, yes, if I want to change about something, I will change the structure of my body. Sometimes I eat too much food, and that's why little bit obesity gets stored in my body that I don't like, and I am trying too much to lose that obesity. So this was about the 3 changes about my personality. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nityam. Now, anyone having any further points which you want to put in front of all of us, or should I go for the conclusion? Anyone having more points, you can go for that. Otherwise, I will conclude. I will wait for a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds, and then I will conclude.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, in my opinion, that respect is the one of the most important element of our personality.
Okay, point taken. Point taken. Okay, fine. So let me conclude. So, in a very simple way, I will try to explain personality to all of you, and also very simple tips on how you can improve your personality. Personality is made up of three things. I call it body, mind, and soul. Body is the physical one, how I appear, my appearance, that is body, my grooming, my body, my hairstyle, my clothes, right? The way I stand, the way I move my hands. So whatever is physical, which is, you can say, which is appearing in front of other persons, that is my first part of the personality, my body. Second one is, when we meet someone, the first thing which we notice is the appearance. How tall he or she is, which type of clothes they are wearing, what type of, you can say, composition they have. But the moment you start talking to someone, you shift from appearance to knowledge and communication. You move to knowledge and communication. What type of knowledge, what depth of knowledge he or she is having, and what knowledge he or she is having, are they able to share that knowledge with me or with others in the right communication. So first part is appearance, how I look. Second part is my knowledge and how I communicate my knowledge. And the last part is soul. So first was body, knowledge and communication is called mind. Third one is soul, that is my character, my behavior. Okay, how I respect others, how disciplined I am, okay, how punctual I am, how is my behavior with others. These are all things, they make my soul, my behavior, my character. So if I want to develop my personality, I have to work on three fronts. I have to improve my appearance, my physical appearance. I have to improve my knowledge and communication, and I have to improve my behavior. My good habits I have to put in practice. Now, out of these three, body, mind and soul, appearance, knowledge and communication, and behavior, the most important is behavior. So if you want to have a great personality, the first thing is that I have to improve my behavior. It means that knowingly I don't harm anyone, I don't hurt anyone. Knowingly. Unknowingly something happens, okay, I don't have a control on that. But I always have all the good habits in me. That's my behavior. Means simple, if I will tell you one sentence, that after meeting me, after talking to me, after listening me, everyone says, wow, today I met Mr. X or Mr. Y or Miss Z. It was a wonderful experience. What a person he or she is. It was love talking to him. Today my day is done. So after meeting you, people should say, wow, what a behavior, what a thought, what a knowledge, what a communication, and what an appearance. And believe me, appearance has nothing to do with black and white, tall and short, fat and thin. No. That only works in film industry. In the real life, your composition, it doesn't matter much if you have excellent knowledge, communication, and behavior. So yesterday I was walking on the road. Yesterday I was in Club Road, Mithanpura. I was walking on the road and I saw a girl was walking with her mother. A girl maybe 14 years old, 15 years old. She was walking with her mother. And because of some reason, I don't know, because of some reason, her mom was having burn marks, jalne ka nishan, burn marks on her face. She was not looking good, her mom. Because of some reason, some casualty, something happened and she got lots of burn marks on her face. But that girl was hugging her mother and walking very closely, very nicely. And this tells me one thing. This tells all of us one thing. My mom is fat, thin. she is white, she is black, she is literate, she is illiterate, she is tall, she is short. Do we care? We don't care. She is the best mom in the world. Why? Because we all know that the behavior of my mother towards me is number one. Whatever happens, if everyone in this world will leave me, she will not. That's the reason we love our mom so much. So I'm telling that similarly, if you want to have a wonderful, magical personality, you have to improve your behavior. Your family members, your friends, they should think, okay, whenever I have a problem, I have just give a call to him and he will come for my help. That is the first thing, soul, my behavior. Then work on knowledge and communication. Good knowledge, great communication. And then think about your grooming part, your appearance part. That is also important. But that is number 3. And one more example I give to everyone. And I give example of APJ Abdul Kalam and Salman Khan. So who is smarter? All will say, Sir, Salman Khan is smarter. Okay, fine. But if you see in a long run, after 40 years, after 50 years, after 100 years, APJ Kalam is no more. Salman Khan also will, eventually he will grow old and he will not be there. After 100 years, when Salman Khan also is not there, Kalam also is not there, the entire world, they are going to remember whom? Kalam. Because of his deed, because of his work towards the nation. So your face value is of no use if you don't have your mind value. So mind value is important than face value. So we have 3 values: face value, mind value, heart value. Soul, mind, body. I have to do maximum effort in improving my soul, my behavior, then knowledge and communication, and then my appearance. So look at your timetable and try to put some events, some activities in your timetable which is going to improve your behavior. Help your mom, help your father, help your friends, help your family members. Help, help, and help. The best way to improve behavior is to help someone. The more you help, the better behavior you get. Right? This is personality. And then analyze my strength, my weakness. All of you have done that. Work on that and get one wonderful personality. Okay. So till now, we have got 6 winners. No, 5 winners. Sorry. Session number 1, there was no winner. I did not announce that. Session number 2, we had the winner Navya. And eventually, fortunately, Navya was there when I announced the winner. She was there in the session. When I announced my second winner, Aryan was absent. When I announced my next winner, Bhavya was absent in the discussion. When I announced my next winner, Ishan was absent. When I announced my next winner, okay, I'm going to announce my next winner, and she's also absent. The winner of session number 7 is Prisha Jalan, and she is absent. Okay, she was there in the last couple of sessions, and she has done a wonderful development. And I was just going through the statistics, and I found only Navya was present when I announced the name of winner. Otherwise, Aryan, huh?
Sir, I was also present on that.
You were
day.
present that day? Oh, okay,
Yes.
okay.
I
Okay.
think Ankit Bhaiya was not present.
So Ankit was not present,
Yes, sir.
and I'm sure that Bhavya was not present. Aryan also was not present. Okay. So out of 6 announcements, 2 present, 4 absent. So number of absent is more. Okay, Ishan was present. Okay. So Navya and Ishan, they were present, and rest 4 of them, they were absent. So the winner of session number 7 is Prisha, and I will talk to her maybe after the class, and I will pass on the things. Thank you very much for coming on this platform. We will meet next on 28th of November. The next session is going to be on 28th. Have a wonderful day. Keep improving yourself. Have a wonderful personality. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Take care.
Bye. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
But Prisha is not well today. That's why she didn't came.
Yes, I know that. She texted me.
Oh, okay, sir. So how was my speech?
We will discuss that afterwards, Nityam. Okay, chalo, bye-bye. Bye-bye.